Hey guys, so I just wanted to film this short video of me filling my car with some used sunflower oil. Uh, we did some french fries the other day, and instead of throwing it away in the drain, I decided it would be much more useful, and I guess also maybe eco-friendly a little bit, to instead fill my car tank with it. As we all know, older indirect injection diesel engines are capable of burning it without any problems. I've had it in this jar for a couple of days and it's more or less settled down on the bottom. And yep, there we go. As you can see, all of the heavy stuff has settled down on the bottom, and what's left is basically clean, used oil. Well, now I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. The thing with used oil is, if you use it a lot and you drive mainly on used oil, it will start clogging up your pump eventually. However, since this is less than a jar of oil in the tank, which is more or less I guess maybe 1/3 full, it shouldn't be any problem burning it and using it. I guess what I'm trying to say is that many people think diesel cars are a thing of the past and not very ecological, maybe. However, in this regard, you wouldn't be able to burn that oil in any other car but an older diesel. What you would have to do is, I guess, throw it away in the drain, and you decide which is better, using it or throwing it away. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make this short video, and thank you for watching.